Welcome back to another vlog and another video. So, well, first of all, our Christmas garland detail we ended up getting the other day from Mom and Stepdad for a belated 35th birthday, for one of belated 35th birthday gifts. Seems to be holding up pretty good so far. So far has not fallen ever since we put it all up last night. The big thing that I thought I would do video on today is just, I know we had early season snowstorm beginning of last week and stuff. Well, for right now, the past couple of days have been the past couple of days, that includes today, have been quite mild. So a good bit of our snow has actually, a good bit of our snow from that has actually all melted away, but I think some of it will be back tomorrow. I mean, they're not calling for any like out of control crazy snowstorm, but it sounds like the cold will be back tomorrow, and it sounds like they're calling for just some PM snow showers where again, it's not sounding like we're going to get any crazy out of control snow accumulation. They're just right now they're just saying just like 1 to 3. Right now they're just saying 1 to 3 inches. Right now they're just saying right now they're just saying 1 to 3 inches. And then yep. And here in the Weather Channel, it's saying, if you folks can even see, winter returns tomorrow for a lot of the Northeast. So yeah. So well, but I guess we also got Eastern storm tracks for somewhere, not exactly sure where, but somewhere for this upcoming weekend. Well, all that they were calling for today was like a small little light snow shower and maybe even a little bit of like maybe even a little bit of like a flurry and stuff, but of course again nothing real out of control. So there's our wreath. There's our wreath and light up candy cane deal. Wreath and light up candy cane detail up in the middle of our living room window. Yep, once again, there it says in the Weather Channel, once again, winter returns. Winter returns. Rain, snow, and temps falling in the south. Is what it's saying right there in the Weather Channel. Yeah, once again, almost all of our snow, at least in the wide open areas, from last week's early season snowstorm is almost all gone. Still have some patches, but I think the fact that it's going to be quite a lot colder tomorrow. It's not going to be like anything like only going up to like as much as single digits or teens, but it's just going to be back into the mid upper 20s tomorrow here in Rochester. So, and again, they're not calling for any out of control, snow event. They're just calling as of now for just like a 1 to 3 inches of snow kind of deal for tomorrow here in tomorrow here in Rochester. So yeah, I mean, so yeah, it looks like there may be just a little bit of a flurry going on out there right now, because starting to see some dampness on our walkway right here, a little bit. So we may have just a little bit of a flurry going on right now. And one other thing.